Boom, over 14 billion vanished into thin air. That was the staggering sum evaporated by cryptocurrency scams in just one tumultuous year, as reported by Chainalysis. As investors, tech enthusiasts, or just casual observers, we find ourselves puzzling over the same question time and time again. Amidst this vast, volatile ocean of digital offerings, how can one discern the treasures from the traps? The urgency of navigating these choppy waters cannot be overstated when fortunes can be made or marred with a single click. Welcome to Crypto Safeguard: How to Spot the Real Deal. An in-depth exploration crafted for those intrigued by the cryptocurrency boom, yet wary of its associated pitfalls. Understanding the essentials. Navigating the crypto landscape entails more than a knack for numbers. It demands discernment and a deep dive into the fundamentals of each project. A legitimate cryptocurrency initiative should first and foremost be transparent regarding its operations. Transparency not only builds trust, but also lays a robust foundation for long-term growth. This includes clear, consistent communication from the project leaders, easily accessible progress reports, and, importantly, a public-facing roadmap that details the journey ahead. Signs of a committed team. Next, consider the team behind the token. Authentic projects have teams that aren't just faces on a website, but active, engaged contributors to their community. Do they have a history in blockchain technology or verifiable experience in related fields? Are they presenting at industry conferences or engaging with followers on social media? The integrity and professional background of a team can often be a litmus test for the project's legitimacy. The role of a white paper. The white paper serves as the backbone of any crypto project. A well-crafted white paper should clearly outline the problem the project intends to solve, specify the technology stack, and explain its utility in the real world. It should not just be technically detailed, but accessible enough for potential investors to discern the project's viability and strategic vision. Be wary of white papers that are overly vague or laced with jargon that seems intended more to obscure than to inform. Let's look at Ethereum as a prime example of legitimate success. Launched in 2015, Ethereum brought to the market not just a new cryptocurrency, but a revolutionary platform for decentralized applications. Its success is largely attributed to its transparent, innovative leadership and a white paper that became a benchmark for clarity and depth in the industry. Tales of caution. On the flip side, consider the infamous BitConnect. This project promised high returns but was flagged early on by the community due to its obscure team information and unrealistic promises in its white paper. Eventually, it ended as a $2.6 billion Ponzi scheme. This case underlines the need for rigorous due diligence and the risks of ignoring red flags that might seem glaring in hindsight. As we thread more into the intricate weave of the cryptocurrency world, it becomes evident that the line separating a promising project from a perilous plunge is often drawn by information, insight, and the intentional avoidance of ignorance. Understanding the genuine indicators of trustworthy projects, team transparency, the integrity of the white paper, and robust community engagement can significantly reduce the risks associated with crypto investments. This investigative journey into the heart of discerning legitimate crypto investments underscores a fundamental truth. In the dynamic, often opaque realm of cryptocurrency, knowledge is not just power, it is protection. As the landscape continues to evolve, staying educated and vigilant will be paramount in not just preserving capital, but in recognizing and seizing legitimate opportunities that could shape the future of finance.